Is your once lightning fast laptop suddenly feeling like it's stuck in slow motion? Are you tired of staring at a spinning loading wheel while trying to get your daily work done? Have you ever wondered if your computer is secretly crying out for a much needed digital detox? What if you could completely transform its performance and make it feel brand new again in just few simple steps? Did you know that the invisible dust bunnies could be the actual reason your laptop is overheating and throttling its speed? Are your internal cooling fans working overtime just to push air through clogged, dirty vents? When was the last time you actually used compressed air to clean out the physical grime hiding in your keyboard and ports? Could a quick physical deep cleaning instantly bring your system's temperature and its processing speed back to normal? But what about the invisible junk hiding deep into your hard drive? Are you unknowingly holding thousands of forgotten temporary files, duplicate downloads, and massive cache folders? Is your storage space completely maxed out, leaving your operating system with no room to breathe and function properly? Wouldn't you love to know the exact tools and tricks to safely purge this digital clutter without accidentally deleting your precious personal files? Have you checked how many unnecessary programs are secretly launching the exact second you turn on the computer? Are outdated drivers and forgotten background apps silently draining your battery and eating up your valuable RAM? Would a simple tweak to your startup settings and power plans completely turbocharge your daily workflow? How do you easily separate the essential software from the pesky bloatware that is slowing you down? So, are you finally ready to give your laptop the ultimate deep cleaning and turbocharges its performance? Where can you find the ultimate step by step masterclass to safely detox your machine from the inside out? On the exact software recommendations, hidden settings, and keyboard shortcuts to keep your laptop running at peak performance. Head over to cloudtechbull.com right now to discover the complete guide and turbocharge